Welcome to a basic tutorial on PHP variables. Let me quickly go through a few things first. PHP variables are very easy to use. I'm sure you'll understand them straight away. You don't need to declare them and they're quite easy to write. You can add value to a variable halfway through the script. Also, they automatically convert to the data type you require. So there's no need to declare them in a different way each time or create a value for them each time. So for example, let's create our PHP tags here and our content goes in between. Okay, now we start with the dollar sign and then we have a variable name. Please note that you can't start with a number, so I can't start with a 1. What I can start with is an underscore or a letter. No other special characters are allowed except underscores, letters and numbers as long as it doesn't start with a number. So that would be perfectly acceptable here. Okay, so I'll create a variable called name and that's going to be equal to a string value contained within double quotes just like we used for the echo function. My name is Alex. On the next line we're going to create another variable using a dollar sign called age. That's going to be equal to 19 without double quotes. Now the reason for this is that is an integer. You can use it for decimal values as well. So this could be 19.5 or 19.5. That would also automatically convert this into a decimal. However, at the moment it's just an integer. That's how I want it. The variable name is a string and the variable age is an integer. So let's try echoing these out. What we need is echo and the variable name, not forgetting your line terminator. Okay, let's find our file named variables. Okay, Alex has been echoed out just like I've said here, echo name. Let's try and echo out my age now. It's just an integer variable and that's been echoed out here. Okay, so the thing with variables is that they're very easy to concatenate into a string. In fact, probably concatenation is the wrong word. They're very easy to include inside your string. If you don't know what concatenation is, it just means to join two things together or to join two strings together in a line. So an example of concatenation would be, let's see, concat and then I could say and then ination. Now this would echo out concatenation. Let's try this. Okay, but there is a completely different tutorial on that. So what I'll say is, for now you don't need to include this as one of your variables when you're echoing this out. If you can't follow this, don't worry. This is very simple. I'll say my name is name and my age is, and put my age down. Now it's all in one string, all in one echo, and you've just got my name is plain text. Variable is called, this is put here, and then when age is called, the value for age is put here. So we can refresh that and you can see that my name is Alex, that's a variable, and my age is 19 and that's our variable. So they're really easy to put into strings. Okay, this is all you really need to know about variables. There are other types of variables like boolean, decimal, which I've shown you, for example like 19.5. You would declare them in the same way with a dollar sign. So practice this and you can come back and learn some more advanced functionality later on when I'm going through some other projects. Thanks for watching. This is Joshua Matthew dubbing for the Spoken Tutorial project.